Welcome back to CryptoPulse, the channel where we break down the future of crypto with no hype, just facts. Today's video is all about Peaq, a rising altcoin at the center of a major crypto narrative, the Machine Economy and DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure networks. If you've ever imagined a future where your car, your EV charger, or even a drone could earn crypto for the services they provide, Peaq is building that reality. We'll cover what Peaq is and how it works, real-world use cases already live, the Peaq token and its value, Peaq versus competitors like Helium, IoTeX, Fetch.ai, and whether this project has the potential to 100 times in this bull market. Let's get into it. Peaq is a Layer 1 blockchain built for machines. That's right. While most blockchains are made for people, Peaq is designed to let devices interact, transact, and earn income autonomously. Whether it's an EV charger, a scooter, or a delivery drone, Peaq gives that device a wallet, a decentralized ID, a way to earn and spend tokens, and a spot in a shared, open economy of machines. This is called the Machine Economy, and it's part of a broader Web3 movement called DePIN. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. In Web 2, platforms like Uber and Airbnb own the network. In DePIN, users and machines own and run the network. Here's the idea. Devices are deployed by the community. They're coordinated via smart contracts, and they earn for the services they provide, like charging, mobility, or data. This unlocks a massive market, trillions of dollars in logistics, energy, telecom, and mobility. And Peaq is trying to become the Ethereum of DePIN, the foundational infrastructure layer that makes it all possible. Peaq isn't just theory. In 2025, real projects are running on its network. First, EV charging stations. Individuals can deploy and share charging points. Peaq tracks usage, payments, and rewards. Fully autonomous. No middleman needed. Second, shared mobility including scooters, cars, and bikes. Fleets are connected to Peaq. Users rent them on-chain. Earnings go straight to device wallets. Third, drones and logistics. Drones perform delivery tasks. They book recharging and maintenance automatically, coordinated via smart contracts and AI agents. Peaq has partnerships with Bosch, a major industrial IoT player, Gaia-X, Europe's decentralized data initiative, and Fetch.ai for autonomous agent coordination. This shows Peaq is building serious enterprise connections, not just hype. So, what's the role of the Peaq token? Well, it's used for gas fees on the Peaq network. It will enable staking to secure the chain. It powers identity, rewards, and governance for DePIN apps. And there's potential use for value sharing between machine operators and developers. Now let's talk about tokenomics. As of 2025, the total supply is 4.2 billion Peaq. The circulating supply is approximately 1.1 billion. The allocation is as follows. Ecosystem growth around 30%, team and advisors 20%, public sale and community about 25%, and staking rewards and treasury another 25%. This design aligns with long-term ecosystem growth, especially if more projects launch on Peaq and demand for transactions increases. How does Peaq compare to the rest of the field? Helium focuses on decentralized wireless but has a single use case and experiences downtime. IoTeX is into IoT and data monetization, yet it faces low adoption and has an unclear focus. Fetch.ai works with AI agents and coordination, but it isn't an infra layer like Peaq. Peaq, on the other hand, offers a full-stack DePIN and Layer 1 solution, although it's still early in its deployment. Peaq is the most comprehensive, a full Layer 1 with built-in tools for DePIN projects, from IDs to rewards to payments. Peaq is part of the Polkadot ecosystem, which means it's built on Substrate, offers cross-chain compatibility, and boasts strong scalability and governance. There's also the Crest network, Peaq's canary net, kind of like Kusama is to Polkadot. This is where early experiments, testnet campaigns, and airdrops are happening. Many early users are now earning Peaq tokens through Crest airdrops, community quests, and device onboarding bounties. If you're early to DePIN, this is the opportunity phase. Let's be honest, DePIN is not a short-term meme narrative, it's infrastructure. And infrastructure takes time to build, but it lasts the longest. Peaq is positioned to power billions of machine transactions, become the blockchain of automation and AI, and unlock entirely new forms of income and coordination. Price forecast for 2025, base case 20 to 30 cents, bull case 50 cents or more, long shot for 2026 and beyond $1 to $2 if machine networks explode. With more adoption, Peaq could become a top DePIN layer 1, similar to what Helium was for wireless, but across multiple real-world industries. So, is Peaq just a niche infrastructure coin? Or the layer 1 that will power trillions in machine-driven value? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on the machine economy? Is Peaq in your portfolio or still under your radar? And if you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to build real wealth, not just chase hype. This is CryptoPulse. Deep research, clear takes, no fluff. See you in the next one.